Welcome everybody to the class. I'll be doing a Roblox workshop called Mansion of Wonder. Basically, Mansion of Wonder is a templated game in Roblox Studio. So for those who doesn't have an idea or doesn't have the experience in making games or creating Roblox games, this is your chance to know more. So today's agenda, just to give you an overview of what we'll be doing today, we have actually three main parts. Okay, first is we'll be designing the blast. We'll make it unique and make final touches. So finalization of whatever project we'll be doing. So yeah, just for you to have an idea, but later once we started to once I switched slide and started to show you the activity or the game itself, you'll understand it better. Okay, introduction to Roblox Studio first. What's the difference between Roblox Studio and Roblox Player? Can you explain to us if you know the answer?
In Studio, you make things, and you create your game instead of playing them.
Right. How about the Roblox Player?
In Roblox Player, you basically play the game that this person created.
Exactly. That's right. That's the answer I want to hear. Roblox Studio, we use that application to create the game itself. Okay, this is where we create, customize, modify our game. While in Roblox Studio, that is where we play the game. Okay, very good. I have here a short clip about Roblox Studio. So let's all watch this together. It's just a quick one, okay? So please, all eyes on the screen. I'm going to play the video in 3, 2, 1.
There's also a game creation engine available called Roblox Studio. This is what the Roblox community can use to create games and publish them for free for other users to play. Roblox Studio is currently only available for PC and Mac.
I have here a quotation. Don't just play video games. Make your own games. Some people might think it's just making video games, but it's much better if you can create your own rather than just play. Everyone can play games, but not everyone can develop or create games. So try to be those not everyone who can create games. Let's move forward to the game or the project, the Roblox project we'll be focusing today, which is called Mansion of Wonder. Okay, so let me give you an overview first. So the Mansion of Wonder, it is not really scary or horror themed game. There is actually a ghost. Okay, so I hope it's fine with everyone. No one will be scared with the ghost here. Okay, so it's a carnival ride. Your hero or your player needs to ride a cart. Let me play the video like that. You have a gun. Okay, and there's, yeah, you see those giant ghosts approaching you. You need to kill all those ghosts, or else if it touches your cart, your lives will be decreased by 1. Okay, so you need to make sure you protect yourself or your cart from these ghost enemies. Okay, you have your gun, so use that. That's your weapon. Okay, so that's the Mansion of Wonder. Okay, now for this one, how are we going to fire or use the gun? Just left click. Okay, left click to shoot to the enemy, to the ghost enemies. Don't worry, I'll be playing the game later. And if you have Roblox available, I mean Roblox Studio available on your computer, you can also try it. Actually, we sent the link. If you want to download it, you just click the link. It's on the chat. Okay, www.roblox.com/create. So simply click that one and download it if you have time, and practice as well. Okay. All right, so how do we play the game? It's very simple. You just need to go to this robot like uh, hero here or player here, and then press letter E, join game. Let me show it to you. So here is my Roblox Studio. It's already open. Once you have this application downloaded, this is what you will see. We actually have four main parts. You see, look on your left side. We have new, my games, recent, and the archive tab. Okay, so we can find all the templated games under the new tab. Okay, so just go to the new tab and look for the game. The title is Mansion of Wonder. So here is the game now. So by the way, once you enter the game, you will see the game itself in the middle as well as some tools on the top and some windows on the right side. If you are going to join our Roblox class course, you are going to learn these tools one by one. Okay, you will get to experience what will happen if you use these tools. Okay, anyway, this is the robot that I'm talking about earlier. Okay, let's play the game. I'm going to play the game, so everyone, please pay attention on your screen. Hello, Elijah. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Elijah, welcome to the class. So I'm going to play the game and show it to you so you'll understand better what I'm talking or discussing about. Okay? All right. So this is the game. Now you see the play it. This is the mansion, okay? That's why the title is Mansion of Wonder. Try to approach this robot-like player and press letter E. And then select join game. As simple as that. Okay? Then just wait. Just wait a bit. Then you'll have your own card automatically. Then you can look around. You'll see those. There. I'll try to fire and look for the ghost around me. Because of course, again, as I mentioned, we need to protect our card. Okay? Please observe whenever I shoot, whenever I fire. Okay? Please observe the design, the effects. Okay? So what happens? The blast. You see, please observe. Oh, I only have 2 lives left. Okay, so I hope I can, because there, you see, we don't have much life. So that's what will happen if you lose all your life. You'll be defeated. I know you are wondering, so what will happen if we win the game? What's at the end of the carnival ride? So let's try it one more time, and I'll promise this time I'll win the game. Okay. So once you're in the game, make sure you prepare and be alert of your surroundings. Okay, observe the blast, the shooting gun, the fire. Whenever you fire, whenever you use the gun. Okay, I want you to observe the special effect. Yeah, there, you see? Whenever you hit something, for now, as you can see, it's just colored gray. White. Okay? And the design is very simple. Yeah, so our activity for today actually is to we'll be editing on those effects. Okay. Oh no. That's the end of the ride. Okay, so that's the end. If you win the game, you'll just stop right here. That means you win the game. Okay, I hope there's no more ghosts. Yeah, that's it. We won. Victory. Okay? All right, I'll stop it now. So, yes, I know the game is very, not really simple, but you see, I hope you feel the excitement, the theme, the scary theme, because there's ghosts and the vibes. You see, what can you say about the game? I want to hear something from Marie. Hello, Marie. How was the game?
I think it was fun, a fun game.
That's what Mansion of Wonder game is all about. Hi, Jimmy.
Hey,
What can you say about the special effect of our gun or
it's
of our
good.
blast?
It's
It's
good.
good. You like it?
Yes.
Ah, you like it. Okay. We are going to actually customize those blasts. Okay? How? Okay, that's what I'm going to teach you, the magic blast effects. Okay, so for the magic blast effects, let's learn particle emitters first, or basically the special effects. Look at this video clip here. Is it more exciting if you are able to see this kind of thing, this kind of effect in your game to make your game interactive, lively, not boring? We should have we should add special effect to our game. Okay, that's the purpose of special effect. Okay, just like in a movie, cartoon movie, right? That will be very boring if that cartoon movie doesn't have special effect. Okay, now, so we actually have two main blast. So the first one is called the magic blast. So the magic blast is whenever you use your gun and the bullet comes out of your gun, it has particles. Okay, so that's the magic blast. We'll be changing that later. We'll customize that later. Now, the explosion blast, this one is whenever that bullet hits something, it needs to explode, right? Whenever it hits the surface or the ghost, there should be a special effect too. Okay, so that's our goal for today. How do we change the magic blast? Using the controls, Roblox Studio controls, your keyboard, your mouse, roam around the area, and you will see this too. Again, this is the magic blast, and this is the explosion blast. Let's start with the magic blast first. I'm going to zoom in and observe. There is actually an effect already, but we can still change that. And the color, you see, it's just gray, white, and it's very boring. For us to edit or customize that one, select the magic blast, and then after that one, go to the Explorer window, this one here. You will learn all of this in our Roblox Studio, okay? I'll just show you first. So again, select it and then go to the Explorer window, expand it. You see there is actually an arrow there. Click that one to expand and you will see blast particles. Select blast particles and then under here, over here, is the properties section. This is where we can see all the properties of our object. We can change it. Now, our main goal is, first goal is to change the color. So again, select the blast particle and you see the color section here. You click that one, double click, and it will open a color palette section. You can choose whatever color you want. Okay, maybe let's try green for now. Okay, you see now the color of our particles. You see it's green now. It's no longer gray. It's no longer plain. And also, uh, we can change the design. Okay, let me go here straight. There. We have so many designs you can choose from. You see, we have a heart, a star, a triangle. Maybe let's use a heart. Let's use a heart for now. You see, just remember the code. I'll be sharing this later so you don't have to worry. So this is the code, the texture ID. We call it texture, okay? The special effect texture. This is the texture ID. Let's use that one. Let's go again here. And then remember texture here. We will type in the texture ID here of the heart. Okay? So the heart's texture ID is, let me type it first. It's 5857 851618. Okay? As easy as that. Just copy the code and paste it here on the texture. Press enter and watch. Oh, you see? It's a heart now. You see? I think it should be red because it's a heart. Yeah, you see? So let's go change it to red. So you see, if you are a game developer, you need to be creative. You need to check the design, you need to check the color if they are coordinated. Okay? Now, yeah, let's test it to see if it's working, if it's really gonna give us a heart and a red colored effect. Okay, I'm going to play again. Just quick. We are just going to test. Okay. Okay, we're going to enter the game, the mansion again. See if our blast really changes. Okay, I'm going to shoot. Oh, you see? It's hard now. Okay, now let's go to the second part, which is the explosion. So again, the explosion is the special effect whenever our gun or our bullet touches or hits something. Okay, so same thing, select that one, expand and look for your explosion particles. So this time it's explosion particles. Let's change it to whatever color that we want. Let's do green. And then for the design, maybe let's use star this time. Okay, let's use star. Just copy the code of the star, 6772783 963. And then same thing, it's still on the texture, paste the text code, press enter. But don't worry, it's not just the color or the texture ID that you can change. We have a lot, okay? You can change the size, the light emission, light influence, okay? We have a lot here. So, yep, that's basically it for our project today. And yes, as I mentioned earlier, we can do more. Okay, so for the finalization, you can actually change the speed. Okay, beside color and texture, you can change the size of the particles if you want it to be bigger than the regular one or smaller, you can do so. Okay, of course, using the size. And then the speed, if you want it to be fast or not that fast, a bit slow, you can customize that one. Okay, now let's have a quick recap, everyone, about because we are almost done. Of course, I don't want to consume all of your most of your time. Okay, so Cody, can you tell me something about the workshop that we did today? How was it? I know 30 minutes is very short, and you want more. All of you want more, but yeah, what can you say about our workshop today? Did you enjoy it? You enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
And yeah, and also, again, I want to reiterate to everyone that we are actually offering a Roblox class.